Today, I'm taking you with me as I step into the kitchen at the iconic Dar Les Cigognes in Marrakech with my dear friend Amanda. Now, this isn't just any kitchen. So many incredible chefs and talents have passed through this kitchen, from Paula Wolfert to Shamisha. It was an honor and a pleasure to spend time here learning how to make one of the most iconic Sephardic dishes, Dafina. Dafina is essentially a hearty stew that was historically made for Shabbat. The dish is cooked overnight, typically in a community oven, and is ready for serving the next day. Now, Dafina starts by placing calf's feet along with meat, chickpeas, honey, and spices into a clay pot. Seasoned sweet potatoes or tiny white potatoes are added, and then it's on to preparing other ingredients. In this case, it was rice, wheat, and a meatloaf. The meatloaf was prepared by combining the meat with ground nuts, breadcrumbs, spices, honey, egg, and more. It's meticulously rolled, tied tightly, and then added to the pot. Each component is prepared separately, enclosed in a cloth bag, and then added to cook in the Dafina liquid. Now, recipes for Dafina can change depending on the family, the region, or even if the Sabbath fell on Yom Kippur or Passover. I'll be sharing a complete recipe and a tutorial soon. If this is something that you've ever tasted or made at home, let me know in the comments below. Many thanks to Amanda and Dar Les Cigognes for the whole experience. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!